Tell me you were cold last night without telling me you were cold last night.
I was fucking cold last night. When did it get so cold?
Up on a hill, as the day dissolves, with my pencil turning moments into life, one by one, all the stars appear.
So we're heading towards Wareham. Left the campsite about 4 miles ago. It's been like this pretty much non-stop, so it's, with the weather and the roads, everything, it's about a 10 out of 10, I'm pleased to say. So so far so good.
The night sky, in the million insects on, the constellations form.
Where everybody went.
On a hill, under a raven sky, I have no idea exactly where I've been. Some kind of change, some kind of spinning away.
Well, this is Studland and it's really hot now. There's a little bit of wind, but not enough to keep you cool. So said the farmer. You just smashed your boys onto the crossbar.
He forgot that he had his panniers on the back and hit
the boys, and I think that's going to be very short.
Wanna come down here?
How's lunch, guys?
Not bad.
It's superb.
Good selection of the extensive menu.
I was going to say that, yeah, the menu was we struggled to choose, but
What a dream.
Well, it looks like you ate it all.